Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video I will tell you the name of Islamic baby boy's name, twins boys. The first name is Kaf and Naf. The meaning of Kaf is happiness and the meaning of Naf is excellent. Name is Ahmad and Ali. Ahmad meaning is high commandable and Ali meaning is high. Name is Hassan and Hussein. Hassan meaning is handsome and Hussein meaning is good. Name is Hamza and Haris. Hamza meaning is lion and Haris meaning is guardian. Name is Heather and Ali. Heather meaning is lion and Ali meaning is high. Name is Zuhair and Zuhaib. The meaning of Zuhair is little flower and Zuhaib is light of knowledge. Name is Shahzeb and Shahmir. The meaning of Shahzeb is like a king and meaning of Shahmir is beauty. Name is Behram and Behroz. Behram meaning is Mars and Behroz meaning is good day. Name is Azhar and Mazhar. Azhar meaning shining and Mazhar meaning appearance.